Alright, hopefully this video will help you guys understand how to navigate through the MT4 app. So when you initially open it, you have all your pairs, right? The way that I did it here at the top right hand corner, you can add more pairs, or you can modify it. And your options are up here. Okay. So add button, modify button. Woo. Modify. Okay. What I did is I started from scratch, so I hit the pencil, I hit the delete, and I deleted all of them from the beginning. And then I went in and added, okay, and the way that I added it is I just did alphabetically, because there's no way to sort it. I have OCD, so I sort it manually, so minus the USD. So I start off with AutoCAD, AutoChef, AutoJP, etc., etc. So that way it's easy for me to locate all my trading pairs. All my E's are in order: Euro Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro NZD, continuous GBP JPY, continuous NZD to the USD to my other trades. So that's how you get this screen set up. Okay, easy peasy stuff here. Trying to figure out what else you need to know as far as settings is concerned. Okay, let's go to a chart. So what you do is I tap the screen, just tap the screen, you're gonna get this wheel. Okay, so when you tap the screen, you get this wheel pop up. This is if you're on Android. All I did was tap the screen, okay. If you want to check price with the arrow, it's right here. Okay, so when I select that button, it gives me this crosshair. This will let me know certain price information. Okay, and I'm pretty sure the top left hand corner is your open, high, low, and closed of each candle. So when I get this crossover and over a candle, it's going to tell me what was the opening price, the closing price, the high price, and the closing price. Okay, so if you hit the F button, that's your function right here. F button, that's going to give our indicators. So I don't use them, but here you go. If you do, you just select the add button at this corner right here. I have my Bollinger Band activated and my 2 moving averages. That's really it. Really use them. I don't use them. I'm more purely price action. Okay. The dollar signs to give you your currency's hotkey from right here. The little clock tells you time frame. Change different time frames. It's the same thing as if you hit here. You got your function key, your crosshair, your time frames, and then this little guy right here is going to be your I forget what the proper name is. Let me click it. Objects. So that's your object list. So you tap the screen, you select the picture, and now you get objects. Okay. So then you have 2 options here. Once you get to the object screen, 1 option, 2 option. Okay. If you hit add, obviously now you get all these options to add things. So you can add a vertical line, horizontal line, trend line, channels, Andrews pitchforks, the Gann fan. You can use a Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci fan, Fibonacci expansion, your Elliott waves, and then your shapes. Okay, so just select, like right now I'm going to go ahead and select rectangle, and now I can draw a rectangle. Okay, you can go here. If you hold it down, depending on how nice your phone wants to play, you can go, when I hold it, a few options pop up. The name of the icon or what I'm using. Then you have a add, okay, or modify, and then you have a delete. You can delete your rectangle, your object. You can modify your object, and it gives you your object name. So if I hit modify, you know, now I can do some other things here. I can fill it if I wanted to. Let's see what that does. So then now it fills it, okay? And if I hold it, okay, if I hold it, it's deselected and selected when you see those three dots up here. Let's see, you see those three dots? That's going to be for every object. They're going to have these dots. That's when you know you've highlighted the object. You can go ahead and delete it, okay? So I hope that answers your question. This icon is going to show you your active trades. This icon is going to show you history. This icon is going to show you news. This icon is going to show your chats. Okay. Looks like I'm at 432 for this new day. I got a couple entries in here looking pretty bad, but gonna hold it off. Think GA is gonna come down. And AJ, I don't know why I bought this. Kind of regretting it. I was actually selling it, but I was expecting it to come back up. It never did. So I put a sell limit here and expected to come here and then down. But obviously it went down way faster than I had expected. It only retraced up to the 23.6. So yeah, that was my bad there. So I'm in red. Hopefully this bad boy comes back up, and we'll just take it from there. Alright guys, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.